Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into the world of high-tech car theft, a crime that's silent, incredibly fast, and, frankly, on the rise. But more importantly, we're going to show you exactly how you can fight back. I mean, just think about that for a second. It's a scary thought, right? But it's a reality millions of car owners are now facing. And this isn't about smashing a window or picking a lock. This is all about a clever hack that targets the very keyless entry systems we love for being so convenient. So let me paint you a picture. This isn't some scene from a movie. It's based on real cases from Crime Stoppers. You go to bed, your keys are safe inside your house, maybe on the kitchen counter. You wake up, and your car is just gone. It's a crime called a relay attack, and it happens just like this every single day. And trust me, this is not a rare thing. New data shows that over one-third of all car thefts in the UK are now done this way. That's a huge number. And it all happens without a sound, without any broken glass, without any sign of a break-in at all. Okay, so how on earth do they pull off this digital Grand Theft Auto? And what's really terrifying is that a lot of the time, it takes them less than 60 seconds. It's actually a pretty simple four-step process. The best way to think of it is like a digital bucket brigade. You have one criminal, the scout, who stands near your house with a device called a relay amplifier. It picks up your key signal right through your front door. Then they basically throw that signal over to their partner, the thief, who's standing right next to your car with a transmitter. Your car gets completely fooled. It thinks your key is right there. So poof, it unlocks, the engine starts, and they just drive away. So really, all the criminals are doing is hijacking that constant, invisible conversation that's happening between your car and your key fob. They use one box to act like a giant megaphone for your key signal, even through walls, and another box to whisper that signal right into your car door's ear. They're basically turning the system's greatest convenience into its biggest weakness.
I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe because it really helps the channel, and don't forget to like and comment your thoughts on this topic.
So you might be wondering, is my car a target? Well, while basically any car with a keyless system is at risk, these professional gangs don't just pick cars at random. Oh no, they have a very specific shopping list. So this list, which comes from police and insurance data, kind of shows two main types of targets. On one hand, you've got your high-end luxury cars, the Range Rovers, the BMWs. Those are often stolen and shipped overseas. But then, on the other hand, you have super popular cars like the Ford Fiesta. These don't want the whole car, they want it for its parts, which they can sell on the black market for a ton of money. Okay, so that's the threat. It's fast, it's quiet, and it works. But, and this is a big but, you are absolutely not powerless here. The trick to protecting yourself is using a layered defense, making your car a much, much harder target to hit. Let's start with the single most effective and cheapest defense out there, a Faraday pouch. Just think of it like a little sleeping bag for your key fob that blocks its signal. It's lined with a special material that creates a shield, so your key becomes totally invisible to the thief's scanner. I mean, if they can't find a signal, they've got nothing to boost. It's really that simple. All right, so beyond getting a Faraday pouch for all your keys, don't forget the spare, there are other electronic tricks. First, check your car's manual. Some models actually let you turn off the key's wireless signal. If you want even more security, you can get an aftermarket immobiliser installed, which means a thief would need a PIN code to even start the car. And finally, a GPS tracker. Well, it won't stop the theft, but it dramatically increases the chances the police will find your car. And hey, let's not forget the power of good old-fashioned physical security. Thieves want the easiest, quickest job they can find. That big, clunky, yellow steering wheel lock might not seem very high-tech, but it screams this is going to be a hassle. And honestly, that's often enough to make them just move on to the next car down the street. You know, as this type of crime just keeps growing, it's not just car owners who are fighting back. We're starting to see a much bigger response from the authorities, who are trying to cut the problem off at the source. The UK government is actually bringing in new laws to make it illegal to even own or sell these relay devices. The thinking is pretty straightforward, right? If the criminals can't get their hands on the tools they need for the job, they can't commit the crime in the first place. So what's the big takeaway here? It's all about layers. A Faraday pouch, plus a steering lock, plus parking smart. Every single obstacle you add makes your car a less attractive target. At the end of the day, the more difficult you make it for a thief, the safer your car is going to be. So stay informed And always, always do your own research to figure out what security setup works best for you and your car.